So welcome guys, today I'm going to debut how to mine X1 using Core AI rental market. So we're going to need some prerequisites. So first we're going to want to go to the GitHub. I guess this is Levi, I guess that's how you pronounce his name right here. And this basically just tells you how to add the hiveOs image to hiveOs, which we're going to do that later or in a little while. I'm just going over all of the prerequisites as it's stated. NVIDIA GPU only, and this is the repository where you actually get the image from to add in to the link. So I've already done this on my previous farm, so I'm just going to show you guys how to do it on this farm, I'm going to show you guys how to do this for Core AI, because I think it's a lot simpler. So first off, what we want to do, so we're going to add the flight sheet first. So AMD GPUs, older, blah blah blah, low efficient, use OpenCL, you can dual mine. Okay, well, I guess so. We won't do that. So log into your account in hiveOs, go to wallet. So we log into we go to wallet. So we're gonna add a new wallet. One second. Yeah, 1 second, because what? I should have never done that. So, but hold on. I'm trying to organize my windows for some odd reason and it's not working, but anyway. So I'm just trying to grab my address real quick. I forgot not sign into any of the wallets. So we're gonna use this wallet, but so I'm gonna pause it when I enter my wallet, since it's gonna be, wait, let's see if it's, oh, I guess I had to actually name it. So I'm gonna pause it, put it in my wallet address, and then move on to the next step. Alright, my bad. And we're back. So we already created our wallet. So the next thing we're going to be doing is creating our flight sheet. So let's go do that, which is pretty much simple. Add a flight sheet. We're going to select the coin. We just created this Zenblock. We're going to create, that's our wallet name. We're going to select our pool. It's going to be custom in the miner. So we have to go back to over here, custom in a miner, and then we copy this, come back to Hive, wait, my bad, I missed something. So yes, it's supposed to say setup configuration, but why isn't it? Oh, because I didn't select the miner. So what miner? Oh, it just says custom. So now it's making sense. Custom setup miner, and then that's where we go pretty much add all of this. So the only thing we really actually need to worry about is the Argon 2 and the link that we copied here, so it can download the miner itself. And this is the latest one, 1.3.1. So we go back over to hiveOs, put in the install path, it auto populates that. Argon 2i, is it Argon 2i? Make sure. Argon 2 ID. Argon 2. Argon 2 ID. And I guess the wallet template could be standard. So that would be wallet worker name. Let's just go make sure. Oh, it would just be wall. And the pool would be just a URL because I think all of that's kind of baked in. Wait, what? Oh, okay, forgot the command. And then does we need to have a pass? Nope. And then after that, it should be successfully created. And we call this, I guess, Zen blocks. Create the flight sheet, and ta-da! Now the flight sheet's created. Now we're gonna go over to clore.ai. So log into, or we're gonna view accounts first because you have to make an account. Or is it lagging? Okay, did it lag me out? No, cool. So you have to create an account first, and then once you create an account, we're gonna head over to marketplace. Well, let me go back to accounts. So once you head over to accounts, why is it loading? You're gonna need to make sure you either fund your wallet with Core or with Bitcoin. I just did Bitcoin, it's a lot easier. You can also use my referral link, which gets you some discounts and you earn more. So we're gonna go to marketplace. And now we're gonna look for a rig to mine some X1. We're probably just gonna look for the cheapest rig. So this is 130.90 for pretty much 3,000. Okay, this is a, but that's 6 gigs. So we're gonna go with a 3090. So we're gonna click rent. We're gonna click hiveOs image because that's what we have. Now we're gonna go back to hiveOs. We're gonna click on worker, add or the plus, add worker, GPU. We're gonna go on, click on existing rig. Now we're gonna need to copy the rig ID, which that's what it's asking for here, rig ID. And then we need to copy over the password for the rig so it can connect. And then we need to do the hash for the farm. So the hash for the farm is in settings, but I don't want to have to block that out, so I'm gonna pause it. Okay, so once you put in all your information, you just scroll down and then you'd see create. So as you can see, I have 2 rigs running right now, but they're both on different farms. So we come back over to this guy, which I just doxed myself, but I'll just delete that anyway. So assign that flight sheet. Let's go back over to Core AI. It says well, this one's been running, so it says it's deployed. We're just gonna have it to give it a little bit longer. Let's come back over here. See, and thank God I named it test farm. So I'm just gonna delete it as soon as it's up and running. So to see, you're not gonna get really too much information. So even if you go and click show logs, so it just says the image is started, but so to see if anything is actually going down with the rig, we'd have to wait until it actually connects. Wait, I don't think it's probably gonna connect because I don't think I have any funds in this farm. So we're just gonna wait a while. If not, that's basically how you set it up for Core AI. I just didn't have any funds in this farm, so it might not work. But I think it said you could just have, you can do like free. So we'll give it a little bit longer. Yeah, I think this is the new one we just started. 223117, 231938. Yeah. So this is the one we just started. Like, again, this is not gonna really give you any helpful information. Like, it says it's online. It says it's deployed. And this is the one with just the 13090. And there we go, guys. Boom, it's hashing. So as you can see, the 13090 hashing at 2 point or 2.373 kilo hashes a second on Zen blocks, guys. Wasn't that pretty easy? I'm sorry, stumble over my words and whatnot, but that's how we like to keep it kind of real. So it's only a 13-minute setup. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Post it in the comments. Remember, stay positive, stay motivated, and always push your boundaries to learn new things. Holla at your boy.